morning, one and all. Welcome to my channel, Miracles of Math. So, today we are here to learn a new topic, which is set. What is a set? What are the different kinds in it? Different forms in it? Different forms of representation, different kinds of sets, different operations, union, intersection, and how to represent a set in Venn diagrams, and what are the operations inside Venn diagrams. So all these we'll be covering in this chapter, and firstly we'll come to see what is the definition of a set. Set is defined as a well collection of objects. What is that meaning? Well collection of objects. What are the books you're having? You're studying in 11th, let us say MPC, Maths, Physics and Chemistry are your books, and English and some other language will be there. Which all subjects you have? So you can list them out. Which all pens you have? You can list them. What all chocolates you like? You can list them. So these are a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. All even natural numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on till infinity. Any number of elements can be there in a set, but it is a collection of objects. It is a collection of objects. Set of all natural numbers, which we represent with n. Set of all natural numbers. So you know that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till infinity. So what is the meaning of this brackets and these elements inside this? Always a set is represented by two flower brackets. Always a set is represented with two flower brackets, and all the elements are listed inside that. All the elements are listed inside that. That means 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity. Set is always represented with a capital letter like this. Capital A, capital B, N, W, whatever it is. Okay, set is always represented with a capital letter, and all the elements are written inside the flower brackets. All the numbers, whatever we are writing, objects or apple, oranges, fruits, whatever it is, chocolates, whatever you want, whatever we are writing inside the brackets, all these are called elements. All these are called elements. Element always belong to set. Element always belong to set. Let us say here 1 is there. 1 belongs to, this symbol is used for belongs to. 1 belongs to set A. 1 belongs to set A. 2 belongs to set A. What is A? A is set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers. Minus 2. Is minus 2 an element in this one? No. So minus 2 does not belong to A. Minus 2 does not belong to. This is belong to. Belongs to. Okay, 1 belongs to A. This is does not belong to. Does not belong to. Okay, so this symbol is represented for does not belong to. In natural number, we have how many elements? We have infinite elements. All the elements belong to the set n. All the elements belong to set n. Set of all whole numbers. Set of all whole numbers. What you will write? The same natural numbers, but 0 also included in that. 0 also included in that. So all whole numbers, you will start with 0, 1, 2, so on till infinity. Yes or no? Set of all whole numbers less than 5. Set of all whole numbers less than 5. Let us take that as set A. All whole numbers less than 5. 3, 4 and this is 5. Less than 5. So 5 will not come. Less than or equal to 5. Then 5 can be added in that. 5 can be included. 0 belongs to A, 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3, 4, all these elements belongs to A. Okay. So, are there any types of representations of a set? Yes. See, this is one type of representation. That means we just write whatever the elements are there inside the brackets. So, just by seeing, as soon as we see, we can say, okay, these are the numbers. These are the elements in that set. So whenever you can say like this, whenever you can see just by seeing this type of representation, we call roster form, R-O-S-T-E-R, roster form, or it is also called as tabular form. That means all the elements are listed inside this flower brackets. Roster form or tabular form. Is there any other representation? Yes. There is one more representation, that is called set builder form. What is that? Set builder form. So the name itself says that we need to build from the given information. We need to bring the set from the given information. Let us take the same example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is spelled before all set of all whole numbers less than 5? Set of all whole numbers less than 5. I will write the same set in this way. A is equal to set of all elements x, set of all elements x. These two dots represent such that set of all elements such that x belongs to whole number, and x is less than 5. So now tell me, as soon as you see this element, as soon as you see this type of representation, can you tell what are the elements in that? Just by seeing we cannot say. The elements are not listed here. But understanding the mathematical meaning behind that, we can able to list out the elements. That listing is called roster form, and this form is called set builder form. So the name itself says that set builder form. From the given information, we need to build the required set. So when it is given like that, x such that x belongs to whole number, x is less than 5. So from this information, we need to bring that our set A is equal to whole number starting from 0, and we need to stop at 4 as 5 is not included. If at all the question is like this, x less than or equal to 5, then even 5 can be included. This is called roster form, this is called set builder form. Understood what are the difference between these two? Let us see some more examples between a set builder form and roster form. Roster form is also called as tabular form. Set of all even numbers. So I will take that as set B. Let us say set of all even numbers 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Can we write this in set builder form? Okay, just now I spelled that set of all even natural numbers. We can write that, but we'll see how we can write. So the same B I'll write as x such that means I want to list all the elements of x in this set such that means x should satisfy the given conditions. What are the given conditions? Such that x belongs to natural number, and x is equal to 2n. Okay, what is this n? We haven't mentioned anything about this n. So instead of listing x belongs to natural number, we will list n belongs to natural number. That will be more easy and good looking. What I will do, x such that x is a multiple of 2. If you leave like this, what happens? 2 into 0, 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 2, all the negative numbers 0, 2 into 0.5, 2 into 0.3, 2 into 0.6, all those numbers can come. But there should be some limitation that we need to take only natural even numbers. So for that reason, we list that n belongs to natural number. So a multiple of 2 into a natural number should be there in this set. That is what it is given, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the set builder form. Let us take one more set C with the same example. Let us stop it at 2, 4, 6, 8. Let us stop it here. Okay, so now what we can write here? Set C is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n. That means it is an even natural number where n belongs to n. And see, we stopped at 8. So n less than or equal to 8. Is that correct? N less than or equal to 8. Is that correct? It is wrong, because if you keep n equal to 8, it is going to 2 into 8, that is 16. Are we going till 16? No. We are going till 8. So it should be n less than or equal to 4. So now see here, n less than or equal to 4 and it is a natural number. That means you have the options of 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you substitute that 1, 2, 3, 4 here, you will get 2, 4, 6, 8. That is the required set C. Understood? Now we'll take some more example. One more example. Set of all good players in Indian cricket team. Set of all good players in Indian cricket team. How many members? 11 members will be there in the cricket team. Final cricket team who are going to play, 11 members will be there. All good. What is the meaning of good here? Who will judge good? I will say all 11 are good. All the 11 members are good and I will write all the 11 members' names. Some people will come and say that this particular person is not playing, he is not a good player. It is his opinion. I say that all are good, that is my opinion, and he is saying he is not good, that is his opinion. So which answer is correct? Which answer is correct? Answer should be a universal, it should be true universally. It should be universal fact. So whenever I say all the good players in Indian cricket team, we cannot specify that as a one common set. We cannot define that. So that is the reason when we are seeing the set definition, I said you that it should be a well defined. That means it should be defined. Only those elements should be there. I say all 11, he say only 10 players are good. Some other person will come and he say no player is good in Indian team. It is one's opinion. Yes or no? And everyone's opinion will differ and that is not a set. That is not a set. Understood? Let us say like this. All the 11 team members are there. Set of all batsmen. That is set. There may be 4 or 5 batsmen. We can write all this. Set of all wicket keepers. One wicket keeper, we will write that one. Set of all bowlers. There may be 4 or 5 bowlers. We will write them. Set of all rounders. Set of all right hand batsmen. Set of all left hand batsmen. Yes and no. So all these are defined. We can just pick them from those 11 members. So you need to understand which comes in set and which doesn't come as a set. If the set is being changed from person to person's opinion, then it is no more a set. It is not a well-defined collection of objects. Understood? So this is about roster form and set builder form. We'll do one or two more examples on this one and then we'll go for the next topic. Set of all letters in mathematics. Set of all letters in mathematics. So how to write the set builder form? No need to write set builder form. I am asking about roster form. So set A, set of all letters in this one. What are all the letters you are having? So you can write M, A, T, H, E, C. Once again you have a M. You already mentioned that M. So no need to mention it again. No need to mention the same element in the set twice. As you mentioned once, it is enough. And A, you mentioned T, you mentioned I. Yes, I is there. C, yes. So these are all the letters in that the word mathematics. In the same question, I will say set of all vowels in the word mathematics. Set of all vowels. So what are all the vowels? A is there. T, H, E is there. Once again A, and you wrote that one, no need to write it again, and here you have I. That is A, E, I. Understood? Set of all vowels in English alphabet. Set of all vowels in English alphabets. Okay, so that is, you know that A, E, I, O, U, all 5 will come. Set of all English alphabets, set of all English vowels before the letter O. Before the letter O. So just before the letter O, whatever we are having, we should write only this one. So C is equal to A, E, I. Clear? Now, why I mentioned this example is, I will write in other way. I have a set D where the elements are A, E and I. A, E and I. Now the question is, write the set builder form for this one. Write the set builder form for this one. How can we write set builder form for this one? Is it a unique way or number of ways, number of different ways are possible? Careful observe. I can write the set builder form as set of all vowels in the word mathematics. Set of all vowels in the word mathematics. So I'll get this one AEI, or set of all vowels in English alphabet with alphabets which are before O, which are placed before O. So again this set will come. So what I want to say here is, for one particular roster form, you can write infinite possible ways of set builder form. You can write infinite possible ways of set builder form. But for one set builder form, you can write only one roster form. For one set builder form, you can only bring one roster form. But for a roster form, you can write infinite number of possibilities of its set builder form. I'll give you more examples. Let us take the numbers 2, 4, 6. Just 2, 4, 6. So what you can say? So one set you can write as set A, B's x such that x is an even number. X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. Okay. I will write like this. X is an even number and which is less than 7. X is an even natural number less than 7. Does this to give the same answer? Yes. Can we write in any other way? Any other way? Yes. If you can think, you can write in several ways. I'll tell you here. D is equal to x such that x is a digit. X is a digit in the number 2468. X is a digit in the number 2466. So see carefully. So what are the digits here? 246. That's what we have, 246. So in this way, for a given roster form, you can write infinite number of set builder forms, but for a given set builder form, you can write only one roster form. Let us have one more example. I'll give you a roster form like this. A is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and so on till 9 by 10. So on till 9 by 10. Only this information was given. Are this following any pattern or whatever it is, I don't know. But I know that 1 and followed by 2, 2 followed by 3, 3 followed by 4, 9 followed by 10. That means the next number is there in its denominator. We'll make use of that point. So set builder form can be written as set of all numbers x such that x is of the form n by n plus 1. Correct. 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus 1, 9 by 9 plus 1. Till how far you should go in this way? If you're not keeping any limits, it will go to infinite by infinite plus 1, 10,000 by 10,001, 1 lakh by 1 lakh plus 1. It goes on forever. So you need to stop it at 9, where n is where 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 9. So you can write like this. What is the meaning of that? N is a number between 1 to 9. In between 1 to 9, how many numbers are there? 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 8.9, 8.99, 8.99, infinite numbers are there. Are you going to mix all this? No. So some more restriction should come. So that is that n should be a natural number. See, x is in the form of n by n plus 1 such that n is going from 1 to 9 and it should be a natural number. Or you can write like this. Okay, a is equal to x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1 where n is less than 9 comma n is less than or equal to 9 and belongs to natural number. Why I am not mentioning 1? Because as I mentioned natural number, it starts with 1 only. No need to mention it again. Okay. So in this way, you can solve the other problems as well. So if you want more problems, see in the description link for a short assignment. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next lecture.